Why saying there's no scientific proof of God misses the bigger picture? One common objection to believing in God is the claim, there's no scientific proof of God. This view assumes that only what science can measure or test is valid. But as Christians, we understand that God's evidence is everywhere, in both nature and science. The more we explore the world, the clearer it becomes that an intelligent creator is behind it all. Intelligent design. Take a simple analogy. When we see a building, we recognize it has a builder. We don't assume it randomly assembled itself. The design of the universe is similar. Romans 1:20 says, "For since the creation of the world God's invisible qualities have been clearly seen, being understood from what has been made, so that people are without excuse." The complexity of DNA and the finely tuned laws of physics point to a designer, just as a building points to a builder. The God particle. In 2012, scientists discovered the Higgs boson, or God particle, which helps explain how the universe has mass. While it isn't direct proof of God, it reflects the fine-tuning of the universe. These precise laws of physics, allowing life to exist, hint at intentionality, not random chance. DNA. God's signature. One of the strongest arguments for intelligent design lies in our DNA. Every cell contains a genetic code, much like a written language, with over 3 billion letters of information. This complexity points to a divine author. When we see such intricate design, it naturally leads us to conclude that there is a creator. God's evidence is all around us. Some say they'll believe in God when there's scientific proof, but the evidence is already here. Psalm 19:1 declares, "The heavens declare the glory of God, the skies proclaim the work of his hands." From the vastness of the cosmos to the intricacies of our biology, everything points back to God. Many great scientists, Isaac Newton, Johannes Kepler, and others recognized a higher power through their scientific work. Faith and science aren't enemies. They can beautifully complement each other, as science often reveals the majesty of God's creation. Conclusion. Science and faith together point to God. When people argue there's no scientific proof of God, they overlook the bigger picture. The order and complexity of the universe are undeniable evidence of a creator. From the stars above to our very DNA, God's creation speaks to us. Rather than seeing science and faith in opposition, we should celebrate how science affirms the majesty of God's design. God bless the Coming Times team.